Good morning to all. I am K. Ashwin Kumar from class 5B. I am the parrot. I lived in a big tree. I was proud of my beautiful green wings and my red beak. One day I saw a crow. I thought how ugly the crow's wings are. I said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, though they are ugly, they help him to fly to a larger distance. I moved a little more closer to the crow, spread my wings and showed how beautiful I am. Just then a hunter arrived there with a cage, caught me and left the place. Moral: don't be proud of something that you have.